Today we are in our instruction book on page 76 and 77, and we are continuing number patterns today. Orlando does push-ups every day. This week he wants to do 4 more push-ups each day than the day before. Find out how many push-ups Orlando will do each day if he does 20 push-ups on Monday. So you can use a table to help you understand the problem. So they've set it up for us. Monday he wants to do 20, and then every day he wants to do 4 more. So they're going to add 4 for every day. Then you could also draw a number line to help you understand the problem. If you start on Monday and add 4 for Tuesday, you would jump 4 spaces to get 24, jump 4 more every day. And see, I like how they labeled the days of the week down here so they didn't miss a day. And you always start at 20 because that is the day, or that's the number of push-ups that he wants to start with on Monday. So let's go ahead and answer our questions on page 77 about this problem. How many push-ups did Orlando do each day? In the problem, we started with 20. And then if you count 20 plus 4, or 20 jump 4, you're going to get 24. What about Wednesday? 28. Thursday, 32. And Friday, 36. What is the rule for this pattern? So remember, rule is something that you always follow. So what do we always do each time? We add 4. What does the pattern show you about what happens when you start with an even number and add an even number? So we started with an even number. We added an even number each time. What were our answers every time? Yep, our answers are even every time. Describe another pattern you see in this set of numbers. So what's another pattern that we see? 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Last lesson we talked about multiples. So if we look at these numbers, we're skip counting by 4s every time. So another pattern that you could say for this set of numbers is that they are all multiples of 4. Explain how you found the additional patterns. So we looked at our answers, and we noticed they are all multiples of 4. All right, we are going to do a couple try-it problems on the book. If you need to use a piece of paper to show your work, that's fine. If you want to show your work on the book, you can. Number 7, the first time Lori played a certain game, she scored 100 points. She doubled her previous score each of the next 3 times she played the game. What were Lori's scores the first 4 times she played the game? So that one gives us a lot of information to digest. Let's take it apart piece by piece. The first time Lori played a game, she scored 100 points. She doubled her previous score for each of the next 3 times she played. So I want to set up a little chart like they did, and we're going to say the first time she played, she got 100 points. So this is the game number, and these are her points. So the first game she played, she got 100 points. The next time, she doubled her score. So in game 2, if we double it and we get twice as much, that would give us 200 points. And that happened the next 3 times she played the game. So let's go ahead and write down our next game numbers. For game number 3, how many points did she score? If we added 100 here, she doubled her previous score each of the next 3 times she played. So we are going to double her previous score. So what happens when we do twice as much? We get 400. Next, on her last one, she doubled her score again. So what is 400 doubled? 400 plus 400 is 800. So what were Lori's scores the first 4 times she played the game? 100, 200, 400, 800. What is one additional pattern in Lori's scores? So what is like another pattern that you notice, or another, even you could even write the rule for each time. So another pattern, what is something you notice about her score every time? And I want you to go ahead and fill that in for number 8. And then make sure you ask me if you have any questions on your practice and problem solving. Bye.